come on. Y'all chill out, man, please.
You looking cute, my boy.
Yeah. Let's see what your legs look like. Come on.
Who the fuck does that? You fucking lame. You're first of all, you're in there comparing yourself to another man. You're a weirdo, bro. I want YouTube, it's your boy Click, man. You're tuning into Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at Karen's acting up in the gym, man. I feel like the gym has so many different issues, but people overreacting or moving like the gym is their own is the funniest thing you can ever see. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you would do in these situations if somebody, approached you the way some of these people did. We're just gonna get right into it as usual, man. Appreciate you for watching. I'll see you guys later.
See the 20, yeah.
Do you see those other dumbbells?
Honey.
Okay.
Okay, what did you say when you were bending over? We need subtitles.
Cool.
Are you serious?
There's an entire gym. Like, use the entire gym.
Yeah, but
Okay.
nobody here is using the 27
Yeah,
ounce.
nobody here was in this area until you walked in.
Wow.
Wow is right.
Now, after complaining, this Karen pulls out the usual one-liner.
Oh, I can go complain
Go
right
complain.
now.
Go
Okay,
for it.
I
Because
will.
I'm using one dumbbell. And he's gonna come and tell you to use it.
The issue is she just needs one dumbbell. She's probably doing like a single leg RDL or something like that, or a hip thrust. You can do that in the gym. Like, why is that a problem? Wait until she's done.
Moving forward, just like the last clip, this lady was using 2 dumbbells instead. But it's when she puts them down, this happens.
I am officially over public gyms.
Oh, sorry, I was using that.
I've been waiting for these for a really long time. Forever.
I just have a couple more.
What the fuck? Man, I'm never. I'm so confused. She's lucky that girl isn't a hothead. That's all. And she probably seen it and she's like, oh, she's a nice girl and, I can get away with this shit. Because some girls would turn around and slap the shit out of her.
Now imagine you're going to the gym and you remember
That's
your water
crazy.
bottle, but the gym doesn't approve. Well then, you'll have to see this.
Each Planet Fitness can come up with their own rules, and that is my general manager's rule. So I have to stick by her rules.
You have it nowhere where anyone can see it. It's just an arbitrary rule that you pull out of air that you can't show me in writing, that you don't have posted anywhere in your gym.
That's the stupidest shit I ever heard. Like, you're gonna tell somebody how big their water bottle can be?
That is correct.
So you just come out with a rule that nobody knows about.
Everybody that comes here knows about that rule.
How do they know about it?
I've been here with this bottle. Didn't have a problem.
Well, guys, y'all know that we can't have these on the floor.
So I'm in here at Planet Fitness with this bottle, and Miss Ashley does not want to allow me to work out because she says my bottle will not fit into her cup holder.
Okay.
So I go to multiple Planet Fitnesses and never have an issue.
I've never heard shit like that before. That is crazy.
Not clearly providing any reason for this man not to have a water bottle, this happens.
Sir, can you please stop?
That's all I'm saying. You still have not provided me any documentation for what I was asking.
Facility, please.
It's not your gym.
So you can't provide any documentation.
Are you gonna leave?
No.
I'm just asking. You can't provide any. Yes or no?
Call whoever you need to call. At that point, I would not leave.
It's a simple yes or no. I mean, I'll leave if you ask me to leave. There's no need. I guess you're gonna call the cops. I guess now that's fine.
I wouldn't leave.
But all I asked you to do is could you provide it, and I guess the answer is no.
I hope he doesn't leave.
All right. Well, obviously, I see what you're doing. You want to call the police like I'm making a big problem for you. I'll go ahead and leave since you asked me to leave. But this video will be out, and they'll be showing you in your face.
These 2 men were lifting weights.
That's
at
so
the gym.
crazy, bro. I wish he stayed, but I guess, some people just don't like unnecessary drama, so I would have fucking stayed, because that's bullshit.
When a wild Karen had something to say about it.
The Holy Spirit!
Why is he... Okay, so this guy's slamming the weights. I don't like that shit, but that's just me. I don't know why he's yelling out the Holy Spirit when he's pulling the fucking weight.
Could you guys stop banging that barbell? It's really annoying. And I'm going to teach a yoga class very shortly, and when people bang those barbells on the floor, it gets me really annoyed. Okay, sorry's not good enough. Stop banging it.
Now sometimes Karens just need to learn how to mind their own business.
I mean, I kind of agree with her. I just think she could have said it a little different. I wouldn't have said anything to anybody. I hear people doing it all the time. No matter what they look like, I don't say anything because it's just an annoying thing. It's not gonna kill. It's not gonna destroy my life. But it does happen where you're doing a workout and somebody's slamming shit beside you. Like, you know what I mean? It does kind of throw you off sometimes, right?
Business, because what these men do next is hilarious.
I guess you have to get some mats or something. Or you should cushion like the bottom, like with your hand. Just, like put it under.
What the
Doesn't make noise.
what the is
We gotta
happening, man?
respect the yoga class, bro.
Yeah, we gotta respect the yoga class, man.
Yoga class!
Yeah, they're
This
fucking
man was
whack.
about to start his second set
They're
of
whack.
reps when a wild Karen approached.
These kids are whack. Yeah, so that one I agree with the Karen on that one. These kids are youths, bro. They're stupid as fuck. About to start my second rep of CJ and when this happens. Okay.
Karen seemed to come in all shapes and sizes.
So I guess the problem there was that he was lifting too much weight. Like, where's the gym?
After this male bodybuilder, Karen started an altercation with another guy at the gym, which resulted in this.
You can't do it, bro.
Man, come on. Y'all chill out, man, please.
You looking cute, my boy.
Let's see what your legs look like. Come on.
Who the fuck does that? You fucking lame. You're first of all, you're in there comparing yourself to another man. You're a weirdo, bro. You're a weirdo.
Cute, my boy.
Hey, y'all, come on.
And I feel like a lot of guys go to the gym and do this shit, or they're comparing themselves to each other. Nigga, you're supposed to be at the gym making yourself better. Worry about you. When I'm in the gym, man, I'm heads on the weights, doing what I need to do for. I'm not looking at no niggas, bro. I don't like niggas, so that's just me.
Man, y'all chill.
Looking real cute.
Come on, chill.
This guy has the man to lift up his shorts to show him his legs. Like, get your fruity ass out of here.
It's all right, man. Y'all over here.
Good one. Yeah, that's good.
Yes, sir.
Come on, man. Y'all chill out. Come on, man. Come on.
You gotta come over here to admire my workout, bro. I mean, to admire me, I guess. If you're that stressed over me, bro.
For some reason, he
Strange
started
ass.
asking for him to lift his shirt up so he can review his body.
Yeah.
Let's see. God, that is disgusting. I'm sorry to tell you.
Well, that's why he's at the gym, you fucking dummy.
Dog. Zero.
Getting in the way of someone filming at the gym is fine because they don't own that space.
Strange.
However, then there's just being a male Karen. You have to see this.
It's crazy how people can be like this. SMH. Turn your volume up.
Okay. So what the fuck if your camera's right there? The fuck? I hate when people do that shit too, bro. Like, it's not your gym. The man's not there catering to your camera.
Come on, bro, my camera's waiting in the gym out here or what? No, but it's like it's just common courtesy, you know. My phone said didn't see it. But I was right here before you. You never somewhere else out, bro.
If you were using that exact spot, then yes, you could say I was here before you. But nigga, nobody give a fuck about your camera. Get the fuck out of here with that shit.
This next clip is insane.
Oh, they fought.
After this teen is kicked out of a gym for lifting weights. But it's how he's asked to leave that's absolutely insane.
Okay, here this guy puts down mats, you know, he's trying.
Now, according to the comments, what happens next could cause serious damage and it's dangerous to step on the bar.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna fight. So I wasn't gonna say anything about any other thing. You're getting swollen right there. That's fucking wild. Nice guy for even talking.
Did you understand what I just said? You're ego lifting. Get out!
He's ego lifting. Alright, yeah, right there you're gonna have to get hit.
I'm waiting. Get out.
Peace be with
Watch
me.
as this Karen tries to use a tissue for a mask while exercising, but then randomly takes her shirt off to use instead.
What?
You have to see this one.
Okay. Burn them calories. Honestly, this COVID shit was annoying as fuck with the mask and stuff, but let's see this one.
I'm sorry, but my face is more than your face right now.
Truly not. You're using a tissue and you're making a mockery of the whole situation.
Okay, well,
How far do you live? Just go grab a mask and come back.
how about this? How about this? Here you go.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna make a mask out of mine.
Honestly, I don't see anything wrong with what she's doing.